If your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 does not charge, then let me try to show you what you can do in order to solve your issues. So the first thing that you can do is clean the back side of the watch. Sometimes we can get some sort of debris, etc. on the back over here. So you can get some sort of fabric or something that allows you to clean this back side of the Galaxy Watch. In addition to that, of course, you can make sure that the charger itself for the smartwatch is also pretty clean. If there is some kind of debris on it or dust and etc., then of course this can also cause an issue. Besides that, what you can also do is you can get the charger. I mean, you can try to change the charger, replace the charger or power adapter that you use for charging your Galaxy Watch 8. And ideally, in order to check that if the power adapter needs to be replaced, is of course try to connect another device. And yeah, so besides that, you can perhaps try to use a wireless charging pad, but it is actually not really recommended to use it. You can try to use it temporarily just to see if there is a connection, because if there is a connection, then it probably means that you need to replace the wireless charger that you have specifically for your watch. And you can also perform a reboot. You can press and hold these two buttons together for a couple of seconds until the smartwatch restarts. And sometimes a simple reboot also solves your issues. Once the screen disappears, you can release these two buttons and then the smartwatch will turn itself back on after a short while. And of course, if none of this helps, you can try to contact a Samsung support. I'm sure they will try their best to help you solve these issues. Maybe you can also go to some sort of store, maybe, or I don't know, like some kind of service that will check that for you. But essentially, if the back panel is clean, if the charger is, at least in theory, working fine, or the power adapter is working fine as well, and then the last thing that you can do is try to get professional help. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.